tool, threads, markers, glitter, a stapler, hunchrick dolls, and me, your Lalaaloo. First up is Rumi. Artificial intelligence will help us. I upload her photo and type in the prompt. Let's wait a bit. A rainbow bridal look! Woo! Now Zoey. A luxurious sapphire style. And Mira will be an awesome rock bride. Yeah, amazing. I can't wait. And I'll start, with Rumi. First, I remove the old outfit. I'll need rainbow tape. Ooh, gorgeous. I wrap it around the top. Using a small knife, I shape the edge. Now a diamond chain. I decorate the neckline with it. Just like that. Use a pink chain to outline the corset seams. What do I have here? It's hard to see all the details on the screen. Voila! That's much better. Time to make the fluffy skirt. I've prepared tulle pieces in all the colors of the rainbow. I'll measure the length, okay? Now I can cut it. Carefully going along. Done! Time to sew. I take a needle and thread and connect the edges. Gather the fabric. Oh, here's the iron. Hey, over here! Pop! I press the top and attach it to the corset. There will be a small slit in the front. Magic! Pop! Hey, I said pop! What's going on? I cut a thin strip of tape and decorate the belt. We need a bright flower here. I know what to do. Voila! Next, I'll need nail polish. Let's start with red. I paint the petals in different colors. Gorgeous! Tap. Add some sparkle. Boom! Oops. Wow, it turned out amazing! Oh, but these boots don't match. I'll make rainbow ones like in the sketch. Oh, I'll hide the rainbow right in the jar. Perfect! And repaint the shoes. Wow, so cool! Incredibly bright. I put them on Rumi. Next step, a rainbow veil. I'll need light clay. Take a small piece of each color. Roll them into thin strands. Arrange the colors in rainbow order. Bend them slightly. Add white clouds on the edges. Coat with shimmery polish. Pop! Now it's ready for the hairstyle. Time for pink tulle. Okay, I have… Oh, where did it go? Fine, I'll take the shade. That one doesn't want to stay either. Okay, peach then. I attach it to the rainbow headband. Fluff it up. Oh, no way, it came back. Pink goes here too. And here's the third one. Got it. The veil turned out as fluffy as I wanted. Just missing accessories. I string colorful beads onto a thread. It makes a gorgeous necklace. I put a bracelet on her hand. Hey, why isn't it rainbow? Huh? I need to fix that fast. And this is glitter polish. It looks pretty normal. I apply it to the eyelids. I print rainbow stickers. That's so easy to grab. Oh, got it. I'll add them to the makeup. Okay, what's on the checklist? Top, front skirt, train in the back, details, bouquet. Wait, where's the bouquet? I know. Ooh, applause! Is that for me? Thank you, thank you. Such pretty flowers. I'll make a bouquet. A rainbow one, of course. Bright satin ribbons. I trim the excess with scissors. Stunning! My rainbow bride is completely ready! Rumi looks so vibrant today. Let's take a photo. The look turned out incredibly stylish. Bouquet, veil, details, shoes. Now I'll move on to Mira. Let's take a closer look. Yep, I already know where to start. I'll need nano tape and purple glitter. Sprinkle glitter onto the sticky side. Cut a piece, fold it in half, and trim the corner. It becomes a gorgeous corset. Next, I decorate the edges. A black sequin ribbon works perfectly. Fix it with glue. More sparkle needed. I grab rhinestones and… Oops! Mira, stand still. Perfect! I attach shiny sleeves. Snip! Like this. I decorate them with sequins. Necklace on the neck. Great! The top matches the picture. Now the skirt. Pop! I have purple and pink tulle. Which is better? Why choose? I'll take both. Press them with an iron. Aha! Got it. I sew on the machine. One layer and the second. Pull the thread to gather it. Done! I tie your hair up so it won't get in the way. Perfect! I apply glue to the base. Attach the purple tulle and pink on top. Secure the edges carefully. Add even more volume. Third and fourth layers. A sparkly rhinestone belt. A drop of glue. Attach the chain. Another one goes on the wrist. Rack style! Wow, cute little roses. I decorate the skirt edges. Super duper! Something's missing on the other hand. Oh, I'll borrow a glove from Lolly. Swap the hands. And done! Next, shoes. I have gorgeous boots. I put them on. Done! Now the hairstyle for our rock beauty. There will be a beautiful tiara. Oh, my ring is perfect for the base. I bend it open and remove the stone. Paint it silver. Add glue and attach metal spikes. Wow, insanely cool! Time to wear it. I secure chains with pins. Decorate with roses. Oh yes, I love how it looks. Sew the tulle and gather it. Attach the veil to the head using a pin again. And instead of a bouquet, our rocker gets an epic guitar. Doesn't quite match the look. I paint one side purple acrylic and bright pink on the other. Decorate with a metal chain. Glue roses with hot glue. The guitar is awesome! Amazing! Here you go, Mira. Yeah, rock! Exactly like the reference. Last but not least, our sapphire Zoey. Such unreal beauty. Watch me make it. I'll start with the top. I need foil. Tear off a piece. Okay. Cut it with scissors. Fold one side, then the other. Wrap it around the doll and shape the top. Glue the back edges with hot glue. Done! Which rhinestones, these or those? I like these more. A tiny sapphire. Add glue and place it in the center. Sapphire eyebrows. Just kidding, it's for the top. Gorgeous! A shiny diamond ribbon. I cut a piece. Split it into 3 strips. Peel off the backing. It becomes a choker necklace and 2 sparkling bracelets. Heart in the center. Wow, such beautiful chains. I'll add them to the look. Perfect! It looks so close to the sketch. Moving on to the skirt. Blue tulle is the perfect choice. First, I iron it. Turn on the iron. Smooth it carefully. Cut a piece of the right width. Got it! Fold it in half. And iron again. Set up the sewing machine. Let's go! Sew down the center and gather it. A fluffy skirt appears. It looks insanely cool. I add matching sleeves. Good thing the hands come off. Measure the height. Yep, got it. Draw a circle with a compass. Cut it out. Mark a cross with a ruler. Draw 2 diagonal lines. Cut along the line. Now fold like this. Yep, follow me. Wow, this is beautiful! Onto the foil. A second tulle layer adds volume. Pin it in place. Zoey looks like a real princess. I add a diamond belt. An ankle accessory. New luxurious shoes. The dress turned out exactly like the sketch. And I'll make a sapphire flower right here. I have some matching little bags. No rubber bands today. Pour them out. Cut off the bottom. Trim the ribbons to length. Slightly seal the edges with a lighter so they don't fray. Clear glue, let's go. Apply a thin layer on the edges. Sprinkle glitter. A sparkly heart. Oops, well, not everything works on the first try. Oh well, I made 2 mini veils at once. I attached them to Zoey's buns. Looks super cute! Now the flower. Cut a blue bottle. Snip, snip. Make pieces like this. Draw the shape with a marker. Pop. Cut along the outline. I'll need the lighter again. Carefully heat the flower. The edges curl and become wavy. Assemble the pieces. Time for decoration. Coat petals with clear polish. Press silver foil pieces on top. Brush off the excess. A luxurious diamond. Oh, pins! I insert them as stamens. Attach the flower to the hair. Needs more accessories. A chain in the hair. Stylish earrings. Time to make the bouquet. I need a shiny film. Cut it into squares. Pierce the center with a pin. Add a drop of glue. And pinch all sides. It turns into a flower. Pop! I made a few more. Gather them into a bouquet. Tie with thin ribbons. The perfect finishing touch for Zoey's look. The sapphire bride dazzles with her shine. Let's bring all the dolls together. I'm thrilled! Look how amazing everything turned out. Mira is so edgy, Rumi is rainbow-like, and Zoey shines like a sparkling sapphire. Which look do you like the most? Tell me! And my girls are off to a concert. See you soon!